Independence Day 2023. Beautiful poem. In the year 2023, the colors will shine. On 15th August, a day so divine, a celebration of freedom, a joyous affair. Let's sing rhymes of patriotism in the purest air. The tricolor flag waves with pride, a symbol of unity. Let's take it in stride. From every corner, we gather as one to honor our nation till the day is done. With hearts full of gratitude and love, we cherish the blessings from above. In the land of diversity, we stand tall. United, we march, breaking every wall. With each rhyme, let's spread the message wide of independence for which our ancestors died. 2023 marks another milestone, a year to remember with the triumphs we own. So let's come together, let's rejoice with the rhymes that echo. With one strong voice, happy 15th August, filled with cheer. May our nation prosper year after year. Happy Independence Day. Thank you very much.